Welcome to Johnny's Tips and Tricks, and I am going to show you how to get a nice thick green lawn in one video. The whole system, solution, whatever that you're going to do for the year. Alright, this is not a lawn channel, but after 10 years I finally figured out what works. I have been battling my lawn forever, and this year is the best I've ever had it, and I will be able to prove to you that what I'm doing works. Alright, so if you want a nice green lawn, this is all you do. Alright, you have to use fertilizer. You got to basically the whole thing is feeding your lawn. You have to feed your lawn. So before the grass comes out of dormancy, you want to try to stop the weeds from coming in. So you have to put, it's called a pre-emergent. It's basically the weeds are always there. They're underneath the soil. And before spring, or right as soon as spring happens, they pop through the soil. You put something down that is like a barrier. It stops them from breaking the soil. So they're still there. You just want to stop them from coming in. So this year I tried this. You have to figure out what you got to do for your grass, but I tried this one. This is the season-long weed control by, it's Biostimulant. It used to be something else. I got a lot of birds. I got a bunch of nests in my pergola. Can't get rid of them. They have eggs. Now this right here, it shows dandelions. It also takes care of clover. I had a really bad problem with clover. All right, I'm cutting in. Forgot to mention, last year I used Scott's Weed and Feed, and it took care of all the dandelions, but I had so much clover I couldn't even see the grass. So that's why I tried this year. And every year I've always had clover problems, and this is the year is the least amount of clover I've ever had. It's because of this. This did nothing to stop the dandelions. I was very disappointed in the dandelions, so I have to find something else that works for my grass. But if you have a clover problem, use this. I had to use it twice. About a month apart I used it, and pretty much all the clover's almost all the way gone. Now they've always talked about, I've always seen these videos, I'm telling you, I've been trying to do this for 10 years. You see videos that if you have real thick grass, it'll help stop the weeds. And first time ever I see what they're talking about. I got nice thick grass and I barely had any weeds. Now, I started this system, and I've been doing stuff every single year, and I really didn't think it would work, so I didn't do my whole lawn, just where the kids and we did traffic. There's sections of my lawn that I didn't do anything. You'll see in a little while the section I applied and the section I didn't, and there's a huge difference. All right, so basically what I've been using these next products. You have RGS, Microgreen, Humic 12, it's like an acid, some type. I don't even know what this stuff is, man, it just works. And Aerate. Now, last year I didn't use the Microgreen very much at all, but this year I'm definitely using it. So basically all you do is get a pump sprayer, and it says right here on the bottle, it says 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So basically I put 6 ounces, and I put it in a gallon of water, and then I spray about a 2,000 square foot area in my yard. Use the whole thing. Then I go to the next section, 2,000 square feet. Humic 12 is 3 to 9 ounces. I usually, so you put 3 to 9 ounces of this stuff. Usually I do around 8, so 4 ounces, 4 ounces. So I do about 8 ounces of it, put in a gallon, put it in a pump sprayer, spray 2,000 square feet in my yard. And it comes in a package. Now, this stuff, I'll put a link in. I'll put a link in the description where to buy this stuff if you guys want it. So to make things easy, basically, in the beginning of the year, you can use a pre-emergent, or you can use like a Scott's Weed and Feed, if that's what you're into. That would be your fertilizer and your pre-emergent right off the bat. Then basically it goes like this. The following week, you put the RGS. Then the following week, you put the Humic 12. Then the following week, you use the Microgreen. And then you use the Aerate. Now, Aerate, take it out. So then the following week, you use the RGS, Humic 12, Microgreen, take a week off. RGS, Humic 12, microgreen, take a week off. Same thing. And that's what you do the whole time, just once a week. It should only take like an hour a week to put this stuff in. And you're good. And then if you can go every month or every two, however you want to put the fertilizer down. I use Milorganite, but I use every couple months. Every 2 to 3 months I put the Milorganite down. So probably I'll put Milorganite down 2 to 3 times a year. And then week off. And then right at the end of the season, you add in the aerate again. That's it. That's how you get nice, beautiful lawn. But let's go take a look at the yard. I'll show you what it looks like right now, and then I'll show you the part that I didn't do. All right, so this is my yard. My yard has never, ever, ever looked like this. It still needs some coming in, but I want to show you something. That has never happened, ever. Never. And this came in so thick that I only had maybe 5 or 6 dandelions in the whole yard. Now this section over here, I really didn't care about that much. Nobody ever comes over here, so I didn't want to take the time to spray. I've started doing it this year though. Now this is what my entire yard looked like. Let me get this out of the shade. That's what my whole yard looked like. Now, look at the dandelions. I have dandelions everywhere. That stuff didn't work for dandelions, but it worked for clover. It's a sea of dandelions. Over there I had like 5. The grass is so thick that it just choked out the weeds. Look at this. Now over here was the section I was talking about that you didn't even see any grass. So there was grass there, it's just that, look at this. Dandelions, like. And then over there in the back of my house, hardly any weeds at all. Grass got real thick. I mean, we could just stop anywhere and just look. Yes, Mama.
Guess what?
What?
Don't you know there's crust on the sandwich?
Yeah?
Guess what happened?
What happened?
I lost my tooth in it.
You lost your tooth in your...
Yeah, no, I didn't lose it in there. I bit and then and my tooth fell out.
Oh, congratulations.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah, I am.
Hello.
So that's all you do all year long. You put something down, a pre-emergent, a weed killer in the beginning of the year. You fertilize every 3 months, and then once a week you apply those next products, and then take a week off. So that's it. All right, so this is Johnny's Tips and Tricks, and if this helped you out, hit the like button. That helps me out, and hope it helps.